I'm going to go to IKEA for some furniture. Hopefully I don't die somehow. What is this? You have gotta be kidding me. Please! I'm at IKEA! You've gotta be kidding me! Why are there still demons chasing me at my IKEA? At my fucking local IKEA! No! This is no! I'm at my... I'm at IKEA! Why is there a demon? What? What is a warden? I want to go furniture shopping. Why is there a demon chasing me? Get away! Get away from me, you demon! No, why is there still a demon? Go away. Why is there still a demon? Why is there still a demon? Why is there still a freaking demon? No! Why? I feel like I'm in the SCP Foundation right now. Please! No, this is the cafe! Dude, I should have gone that. If the why? How is the demon here? How is the demon here? No, stay away from me! Stay away from me! No! No, where do I go? I'm running. Ah! How is the demon still here? Please! The demon needs to go. Please! Stay away from me. Oh my god, it's literally the hopefully the demon doesn't find me in this endless. Get away! I need to go. Where's the exit? There's the demon! What is happening? No! The